This scene demonstrates that each line is carved 3 times, first to mark, second to define, and third to bring the pattern to life.
Keep it steady, just like we practiced, okay?
Oh, hang on.
Easy now, just ease off the pressure here. There you go.
This scene demonstrates that the workshop is the heart of the craft. Without it, the tradition would not survive, but with it, the tradition thrives.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. First, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.